Hi, this is Mina from Seoul, South Korea. Today's word is 빠지다 with 9 different meanings. According to Korean dictionary, this word has 19 meanings. 19. But I have picked 9 among them, which are frequently used in daily conversation. This word is often used with particles such as 에, 에서, 이, 가, 을, 를. Let's get started. First meaning, to be addicted to, be crazy about. For example, 한국 드라마에 빠지다, get addicted to Korean drama. I recommend you to memorize this because it's frequently used by native speakers. Second meaning, to fall into the water, a pit, etc. For example, 바다에 빠지다, fall into the sea. Third meaning, to fall or get into a difficult situation. For example, 혼란에 빠지다, get into a confusion. Fourth meaning, to fall into a deep sleep. For example, 깊은 잠에 빠지다, fall into a deep sleep. Next one, for something embedded to come out. For example, 못이 빠지다, a nail comes out or a nail falls out. Next one, for stain or dye to be washed off. For example, 얼룩이 빠지다, a stain comes out. Next one, to lose one's weight. For example, 살이 빠지다, lose weight. Next one, to not participate in a certain event or leave midway through it. For example, 수업을 빠지다, skip class. Last one, for a gas, smell, etc. to flow or leak out. Flow off, usually from inside to outside. For example, 연기가 빠지다, the smoke flows off. And that's it for 9 meanings of 빠지다. But as I mentioned, there are 19 meanings in total, so please check them out if you are interested. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.